Today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about this dehumidifier. This thing is small, it's compact, and does a great job. I'm going to tell you the drainage options, how much the tank holds, show you up close all the buttons, all the bells and whistles. So let's just get into it. So it's going to come packaged really nicely. This is exactly what it looks like. So you're going to get a drainage hose right over here. This is 3 feet. So a really nice length on that. This could do up to 2,500 square feet room. So you could do, this is fine for the basement, the office, wherever you want to put it, you could do that. It's best recommended if you are running this not to have any doors or windows open. It just works better that way. So let's take a little bit of a closer look. So this is what it looks like. We got it on wheels. There's all different colors and sizes. So if you don't like this color, you want a bigger size, no problem. They got you covered. It is on wheels and it has this nice little handle right here. This weighs about 22 pounds. I was kind of surprised. It's kind of light. Which is nice. Right over here is our tray right over here. So this is where all the water is going to go. Right in here, you could get about 5 gallons of water in here. When you take this out, you could dump it like this if you wanted to. So that's one way to drain it. You'll see here, there's 2 pieces right over here. You could push those together and pull this up if you wanted to and kind of like pour it from the side. Or your other drainage option is going to be in the back right over here. So right back here, what you're going to do is you're going to unscrew this, pull this out, and you could put this in just like that. You want to make sure it's on nice and tight when you are doing this. You would do this when you're running continuous mode. So I'll get into the modes in just a second and show you the top piece right over here. But this is what you do. You'd select continuous mode, put this in a sink or wherever you want to put it, and then just let it run and the water will just go into the sink. So just make sure if you aren't running in the continuous mode or take it off, you just put this back in and make sure this plug is nice and tight. It does have if you are just using the normal setting, it will shut off once it gets full. So let's take a closer look at the top right over here. And right back here is your filter. So you just pop this off if it got dirty. We haven't had to do that yet. And it has this nice little tangle cord right over here. Of course, this is on wheels. It moves around really nicely. I was kind of surprised. You kind of just move this around, wheel it around. So that's really nice. So let's take a closer look right over here at the top. So this is what it's going to look like here. To power this on, we're just going to hit that like that. Now, you do have 3 different modes like I talked about. You have the DEH, so that's just like dehumidify, a dry mode, and a continuous mode. You'll see right over here, this is kind of going through the humidity. We do have a timer here. So we hit this, we could just do whatever you want. With the timer, it goes up to 24 hours. So if you want to just set that, but it will shut off when it is done or this is full. So you don't have to worry about that. This can dry close. So that's going to be your next mode right over here. So you'll see we're on continuous mode right over here. So this is going to keep going. So there's that. This is going to be your dehumidifier mode right over here. So that's just a normal mode right over there. And then if you wanted to dry clothing or something like that, this does a great job. We've definitely have dried shirts or wet stuff, putting this in the bathroom. It's super portable as well. For speed options right over here, we got a high and a low. It is on high right now, and it doesn't sound that loud at all, which I personally like. There's nothing worse than something that's super loud. So you could just see that. You could go high and low if you wanted to do that. So just 2 speed. You do have the option to lock this. You're just going to hold this for 3 seconds. And now it's locked. And then to kind of unlock it, you're going to do the same thing. And now it's unlocked and you're good to go. So that's kind of that. And then we have the humidifier mode right over here. So really, really nice options. This is super compact. So we'll just pick that up right over here. In terms of measurements, so for measurements right over here, up top here at the highest point, we're going to have 20 inches going across right over here, 11, and then going to the back about 8 inches. So super compact. This thing does a great job. Really, really well done. We do like this a lot. It's super easy to drain. It does a great job drying clothes. It doesn't take up a lot of space, which I personally like. And I love the fact that you could run continuous mode, and it even gives you the drain. So if you wanted to kind of run this into a sink or something like that, really easy to do. So if you're looking for a great dehumidifier to get everything humidified, definitely check this one out. You got the 3 different modes. You got a 24-hour timer. Comes 3 different ways to drain it. You could just drain it, dump the water out here. You could drain it by having all the water come out here, or you could drain it with the hose. It's on wheels, has a convenient little back right over here, so you could wrap the cord around it if you're not using it or you want to take it on the go. This will definitely work in an RV as well. And of course, you get the instructions right over here. I hope you found this video review helpful. If you did, give this a thumbs up, and I hope you get the right dehumidifier for you.